guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shanice and welcome back to Simply Nikla. So today's video I thought would be something cool to do and something informational, something like that, but hopefully not boring. So I usually do nail tutorials on my channel like always, but I decided to do a nail tutorial this week that was based on my short natural nails that I have at the moment. My nails can get really long, but right now they are all short, so I decided to do a holiday inspired, Christmas inspired nail tutorial for you guys this week, but for short natural nails for anyone who wants to do it themselves, get inspired to do their own short natural nails themselves. And so I just want that to be like some inspiration. So I'm going to show you what my beginning of my nails are going to be, and I'm going to do both hands, not all on camera, but I will show both sides on camera. This is what my left hand of my nails look like. They're pretty short and a little uneven. That doesn't matter, but this is my short nails on my left side, and my right hand, this is my nails are right here. So believe it or not, I am going to do this week's nail tutorial, nail art and everything, holiday inspired nail tutorial for you guys this week on these short natural nails. So I wanted to show this video to show you that you can do nail art on short nails. It is possible. And if you guys do like this video, subscribe and even like this video, so then I'll know I can make more videos like this for different other kind of nail art tutorials for short natural nails when I decide to. And let's go ahead and get started with this video. So to begin with this nail tutorial, I applied a base coat to protect my natural nails from the color, like everyone says with a nail tutorial. But I applied LA Colors Nail Treatment Mega Grow, which is just a clear nail polish that I have, and I apply that onto all of the nails. And then after I applied the top coat and it dried a little bit, I wanted to promote or give the pink of on your nail bed a little more oomph. So I made this light translucent pink that I'm going to apply on top of the nail. That really will promote the pinkness in your nail. I applied one coat of that onto each nail, and it really does help it out. So next I am going to start with applying the color in the French tip. So on the index finger, middle finger, pinky, and thumb, they're all going to be a white tip, and then on the wedding finger it's going to be a red tip. So for shorter nails, I start off with a liner brush and kind of line out the section that is going to be colored in. I did that for the white nails and the red nail. So the white that I used was LA Colors Curl Last Evermore. And then the red I chose to use was LA Colors Color Last Captive. After you outline the barriers of each nail color with the white and the red to be in the French tip style, you want to apply with the brush or with the nail brush and apply 2 coats of the color to fill in that section. So on the white nails, I can't just do simple, just plain old white, so I had to incorporate some glitter on the white to give those nails some other cool things going on with those nails as well. So first with the white nails, I applied this white shimmer polish from LA Colors Mermaid Magic, and it's called Opal, and I applied that shimmer polish onto all the white tips of the nails. then on top of the white tips, I also applied this cool glitter. And this glitter is from Sally Hansen and it's called Glitter Glam. And it has this nice reflective glitter that when the light shines on it, it's really pretty cool. So I apply that right on top on those white nails as well. For the red nails, like even though this nail is going to have a snowflake nail art section, but I can't just leave the red, you know, that's plain and simple and boring. So I first applied onto the red nail pure ice, hit the floor, and applied one coat of that onto the red section. And then also on the white nails, just to say, there's all just one coat of all like the glitters and the shimmers. Right on top of the hit the floor red glitter that I just put down, I'm going to apply another glitter, and this one is from Sally Hansen, their INSTA-DRI collection, and this one's called Candy Cane Red, and I love this glitter and it's beautiful, and I apply that right on top of the nail. Once the red section kind of dries a little bit, I then gonna do the nail art. So I had some white and I used that LA Colors Color Last Evermore with a liner brush, and I did a snowflake. There's not one way to do it. Snowflakes are all different. So I just applied a snowflake on the right side of the nail and did some dots around the snowflake and just made it more snowy and cool. Once I was done with the snowflake, I decided to put a small, tiny diamond nail bead right in the middle of the snowflake to give it some coolness and some glitterness. So I applied one of the little nail diamond beads right onto the nail. Once I was done with that, the nail tutorial was done. All I have to do next was apply my favorite top coat, which is a quick dry top coat, which I used the Pro Fix Quick Dry High Gloss Top Coat, and I applied that onto every nail. So this is my nails and what it ended up looking like after I did everything with the nail tutorial on my short natural nails. This is what it all came out to be. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I was going to do both of my nails. So I'm really going to show you that I actually did my nails. I did my right side of my nails off camera. So this is my left side of my nails that you've seen me do. And this is my right side of my nails. I just switched the red nail on my wedding finger. I just put it on my middle finger on this one. But this is what it looks like. It looks the same. I did it. You can do it on your short nails and even shorter nails. So this nail tutorial is short nail, natural nail proof, okay? You can do it too. I'm positive you can do it. So I really hope that you like this short natural nail art tutorial. And if you want some more short natural nail tutorials on this channel and you want to see it, you can go down below and subscribe and like this video or comment so I know that you guys like this video and want some more. Thank you so much for watching. I have an awesome cool video that's already planned to do for next week, so don't miss out. Really, if you haven't subscribed yet, go down below and subscribe because you don't want to miss next week's video. But other than that, I'll catch you back next time. Bye.